Doing lectures online is rather different to face-to-face, but they can be just as rewarding and as engaging for students with a little bit of planning. Here are some tips to help you think about your lectures before you start filming. Firstly, consider pre-recording your lectures rather than streaming them. This means they can be more polished, but also means that if a student is unwell or they're struggling with internet access, they'll still be able to see the lectures. You can follow up the lecture with a live seminar after that session. You should also plan to keep your videos short. Around 8 minutes is good. Longer than 15 minutes can cause download issues and lowers engagement. A 5-minute video is about 750 words if you're writing a script. Shorter videos also allow students to digest every part of the lesson, quickly revisit what they may not have understood, and provides a meaningful place to pause if they need to return to a lesson later. Short lecture videos can also become invaluable if you need to update a video later on. It's much easier to re-record 10 minutes than 50 minutes. If you're used to giving much longer lectures, review your lessons and identify where there's natural breaks. You can then use these as a guide to decide where every recording should begin and end. During video lectures, you might direct students towards more resources than in a face-to-face lecture. For example, rather than reading a long quote, you might tell students to pause the video and to read a page from a set text. Remember, you do not always need to generate original videos. There's many great videos that exist already that do a really good job of explaining specific topics. This can help create variety in students' learning experience and can be less time intensive for you. And before recording anything, test out your slides to make sure that they're readable on a smartphone. Many of our students will be accessing materials through their phones, so make sure that all the text is readable on small screens. Video lectures should also have clear references so students can follow up on any of the points that you're making. And finally, before you sit down to record, rehearse at least once, just to warm up.